Jimmy with Cuffin Stuff. Well, today we're doing a subscriber request. We're going to do red beans and rice. This is an old traditional Cajun recipe. We just cook it in South Carolina. I've been eating it all my life. So I think this is just a southern dish. So hang around, we'll show you how to make it. I'll show you how I make it. This is a pretty traditional recipe. While we're at it, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Ring that bell so if we come out with another video, you won't miss it. Like the video, and until we come back, hang tight. Okay, well, the first thing I would say is you can scale this recipe up or down, okay? So you can double it, you can cut it in half. Usually I make a pretty good bit when I make this. This is one of those things that actually freezes well. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the sausage. I'm going to put it in and I'm going to brown it. Now this sausage is andouille sausage. It's got a little spice in it, and I do like the spice, but you can put any kind of sausage you want and mix it up as you go. But all I'm going to do is just brown this sausage up, and when I get it browned up, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, we got the sausage browned up a little bit. I'm going to take this out of the pot here and set it aside in a bowl for right now. So let's keep the sausage out. We'll add it back in just a little bit. Alright, next I've got 2 onions cut up. Dump that in. I've got 3 stalks of celery cut up. And I got some peppers. Now, normally the recipe calls for bell peppers, and these are sweet bells. Why, just adds a little color to it, and I just like the flavor of the colored peppers I add. They're sweet. The Cajun Trinity. All right. Well, we're gonna cook these vegetables up just a little bit and get the onions translucent, and when they're done, I'll bring you back. Okay, we probably let these go about, well, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. And to this, I'm gonna add 1 big heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. Now, you can use fresh cloves if you want. I had this, and it's just easier. It's already minced up. I'm going to stir it in, and I'm going to let this cook for a couple of minutes. Then I'm going to take it off the heat and set it aside. And I don't want this garlic to burn, so I want to keep it moving. And I didn't want to put it in at first because I don't need it to cook near as long as I did the onions and celery and the peppers. So let me let this go for a couple of minutes and I'll bring you back. Okay, next we're getting the big pot out. This is where we're going to start putting it together. Now I've got 2 pounds of red beans that have soaked overnight. Again, I'm pretty much doubling this recipe. normal times just cooking this for supper, you probably would only use a pound, but I'm gonna dump 2 pounds in the pot. And then I'm gonna take enough water. I wanna take and cover these beans. I think you would normally put about 6 cups. And you can see all I did was cover it. I don't know, that may be almost a gallon of water. To this, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of thyme, a tablespoon of parsley, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a tablespoon of Cajun spice or whatnot. In this case, you know I'm going to use Uncle Steve's shake. This is original. So I'm going to dump all of that in the pot and stir it up in there good. And next I'm going to go ahead and take that Cajun Trinity and dump it in that I cooked with the onions, peppers, celery, and the garlic, and I'm gonna dump it in. All right, and stir it up good. Now I'm gonna bring all of this up to a boil, okay? And when I get it to a boil, I'll bring you back. Okay, as you see, we've got our pot to a good rolling boil. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna reduce the heat to about a medium low. We're going to partially cover the pot, and we're gonna let it simmer, at least 2 hours. We're gonna do till the beans are almost done. It may take longer than 2 hours, but we'll bring you back when the beans are just about done. Okay, we have been 2 hours and a half, and our beans are just about done. Not only looks good, it smells good. All right, here's what we're gonna do. At the 2.5 hour mark, we're gonna take, let me try a bean just to be sure. Yep, almost, not quite. I need to go a little longer. But at this point, this is where I'm gonna put the sausage in. So, all this andouille sausage is gonna go in the pot, and I'm gonna take and stir it in good. It's gonna be good stuff. All right, got that stirred in good. Hold that piece. We're gonna put the lid and just about cover it up, and we're gonna let that cook about 30 more minutes or so. Okay, so while we're letting our beans finish, we're gonna take, we got 4 cups of water in the pot. We're gonna bring it up to a boil, and to the pot, we're adding 2 cups of long grain rice, and we're gonna stir that up. We're gonna let it come to a boil and cover it and let it go about 20 minutes on simmer. And when our rice is done, our beans should be done. So we'll bring you back. Okay, our beans and sausage are done, our rice is done. Only one thing left to do. Let's try it. Let's see what we got here. Get a little of everything in there. Man, that's hard to beat. I haven't had that in a long time. I've been looking forward to this. Folks, that's red beans and rice. Simple to make, delicious. You can feed a lot of people with this recipe. So, thanks for watching. Until next time, we'll have the subscribe button on this side. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit it. On this side, we'll have another video for you. So, until next time, hang tight.